Hey friends, here is another video of custom ROM for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M4 device. Today I am going to review the latest update of Pixel Experience Plus Edition ROM. It is an Android 11 based ROM having Perf Plus kernel and with Zone security upgrade. So let us find out what's special in this ROM. It is very stable and smooth ROM. And guys, it is an encrypted ROM. So watch this video before flashing this ROM to know about how to flash this ROM. And let us start the video, and before it you can join my telegram group for latest update. Let us see this quick file checking. You can see here it is very simple and smooth system UI. You can also customize its option very good without any problem. You can check here all the options are working perfectly like battery saver mode and dark theme and night light. It's all working very good. You can also see here rigging mode is working perfectly and dark theme also working. It has by default pitch black color. I miss the other option of Genghis ROM if we can change its dark theme colors. Also the screen recording mode is working perfectly. You can also record internal IQ and microphone IQ together with this screen recording. It is very good feature for those who play games and wanna record their gameplay. So you can see here it is saved and you can check there is no lag in recording. So this is the best king in this ROM like another ROMs. Screen recording is working perfectly. After it, let us think about display options here. You can check here some options are given like dark gaming, night like mode. Also the live display option is working perfectly. You will have no issue to use this option. This ROM is very stable and very smooth. There will be no lag in system UI. You can also customize the wallpaper settings here and customize the icon shape and icon color with assign color options. Double tap to sleep and double tap to wake up option are working perfectly on correct lock screen. Only it is not working on home screen. As you know, in this ROM we gon' find double tap to sleep on home screen option. You can use this option by changing the launcher option. You can also change the notch behavior here by using this option in this ROM, which is very good option. It is a new option in this ROM. Also we are going to find some another option in here, like you can see double tap to sleep on status bar is working and also on lock screen it's working, but it is not working on home screen. So this is the issue or its ROM behavior that it doesn't have this option. And in launcher setting you can easily turn on home screen location setting also, and some another options here you can change in it. So let us find some another option of this ROM. Let's go to further and check about accessibility option. You can check here dark theme is working perfectly, color correction and color inversion are all working very good. Also here in navigation in Gaskell sec you can easily customize left and right sensitivity option. So these are the some option in accessibility option you can use in this ROM. And in system setting you can easily use some another option like status bar and button settings. Also some Gaskell option given here. You can easily customize these option without any problem. Let's go further and check some other settings here like network setting. You can easily connect Wi-Fi, hotspot and Bluetooth connectivity. The sound quality in Bluetooth is very good. And in case of calling, I will tell you that it will not have any call recording option and also no video call or native Wi-Fi calling option are not present in this ROM, as usually these are not present in any A11 ROMs. So and by the way sound quality is very good in calls, so no problem, no sound issue. Like some another options are given here like play score. If we go think about X, you can check here the device is certified and also. So another option here we are going to check is X Geekbench score. X Geekbench score is normal, somehow less than another ROMs, but still it is very stable and smooth. You can check here the score is only 2 for is very below than average. And if we go about safety net test, it is successfully passed. You will not have any issue in this CKS profile mesh and basic all or okay. And also in native look checker all the options are perfectly working and by default it is no crooked ROM. So because of no crooked all the banking apps are working like Yono, SBI and HDFC Net Banking, PhonePe, Google Pay and Paytm all are working very good. If I talk about the security options, all the locks are working also. In last update there was no app lock, now app lock is also including in this ROM. And the speed of this is very good and by default this ROM is encrypted because I used encryption to flash this ROM. So you can see here the fingerprint and face unlock speed is very good without any problem. You can use gauge options, and the app lock is also working very good, so no issue in app lock and security option. All the security and privacy measures are working very good. You will have no issue and problem. Also, let us talk about sound quality. The sound quality is very good. You will not have any problem in sound quality. It is very loud and very clear. You can also customize vibration setting here. You can also see here the volume is very good in media. You can see here it is very good. So no problem in sound quality of this ROM. Let us see some another option of this ROM. Let's go further. Now we are going to check some another option of this ROM. You can see here it is very cool and very stable and very simple UI. If I talk about battery backup, its battery backup is just good. You will have a good battery backup in this ROM without any problem. You can use any app, and also in case of gaming you will have a good battery backup, but I don't think this ROM is for gaming because it is a normal ROM for daily use, is not for gaming, so I don't usually use this ROM for gaming purposes. Also these are some options given in this ROM, and if I talk about camera, you can use any Gcam like Nikita Gcam for better quality of photos and videos, so going to use by default camera, and also OK Google is working perfectly. You can see here. That's me. How can I help? So you can see OK Google is working perfectly. You will have no issue to use these options. You can check here all the system are working very good, and also the system UI is very stable and very simple. There is no lag in system UI, no app crashing and no system app crash. You can use these options without any issue. So these are some options given in GIS-ROM which makes it very good and very stable. So you can use GIS-ROM for daily purposes and daily uses. GIS-ROM is one of my favorite ROM because of its stability and smoothness. So you can use GIS-ROM for your daily uses. So this is the video for Google. Let's make in next video. I am going to review the Cherish OS official version in next update.